religion beyond a point. So this overpayment and law of diminishing return had already set in. You see, in India there is a balancing between communities, between religion, between sects and mathas. So there is a larger secular space, and the beauty of India is that you cannot really think of coming to power and sustaining power unless and until this section is solidly behind you.
Right. Coming back to the larger picture now, Ms. Ramaseshan, what will it indicate about the upcoming elections in 2014? Many are calling it even a quarter final before May 2014.
No, I don't think. If you just go back to 2003 when the BJP won all the major state elections, which kind of motivated them to call an early parliamentary election that they lost. As Suresh pointed out right in the beginning, that state elections are fought purely on regional dynamics. So I don't think they're going to impact the national elections in a major way, you know. I mean, if it is a state like UP, you can still sort of believe that it will. Even UP has stopped impacting national proclivities and national preferences. So what to say of Karnataka? I don't think it's a trial run or a dress rehearsal or anything of that sort. Each state has its own idiosyncrasies, its own dynamics, and elections are fought according to those.
Right, but Mr. Suresh, it will certainly cast a doubt on the BJP's ability, if it does not come back to power, to be able to retain power outside of North India.
Well, certainly it is going to impact, but then the dynamics are different, because you see, it impacts in the sense that by coming into power in Karnataka, it sent a message that it is no more a Hindi heartland or cowbelt party.
Right.
It is a national party. But once it exits from there, it sends across a message. That is why if you see that recently they held a big convention in Delhi on Telangana issue.
This is limited. It can be much more flexible than the Congress. So just to say because it's getting defeated in Karnataka means that it's a big setback, I do not buy that argument.
All right. Well, on that note, it's time for me to wrap up the discussion here. I'd like to thank all my guests for coming to the studios. It was a pleasure having you all here. That's it for now in this edition of Insight. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.